Hello guys, it's me Mabani Kolusile. I just want to make a short video on how I analyze my pairs. Looking on AUD, Euro USD, we see the market is ranging between this high and this low. And then what I'm looking for in this market is for the market to come to test this low. Then how is the market going to test this low? I'm looking on this candle, and then I analyze based on the high of that candle and its low, and then that's one of the things that I identify. This is the high of Friday's candle and the low of Friday's candle. Now we're having this movement, and then what do we look for? We go to H1, where I'll be identifying the 13-hour candle, the 14-hour candle. That's the and the high of New York Open and the low of New York Open. Now we're having the low of New York Open before the current 14-hour, whereby we have this structure, and then we expect the market to go and test this OTE, whereby we put our Fibo from high to the low. And then since we have this kind of structure, I was expecting the market to come at least to test the zone. Since we have a bearish move on this pair, I will be looking for the market to test the low of previous week, which was on Friday, which is the low, and I will be looking for the market to do this. And then drop. Hope you enjoy this one, guys. Hi Papa.